Good morning, students. Next, we have to study circumference and area of a circle. What is mean by circumference? Till last class, we studied perimeter and area of a plane figure. When we are considering a plane figure like a circle, we are other plane figures like a triangle, square, rectangle, distance around that closed figure, we call it as perimeter. Here, distance around this closed figure, we call it as perimeter of this circle, or perimeter, another name is circumference. When we are considering perimeter of a circle, we can call it as circumference of a circle. How to find the circumference of a circle? We can use a thread to find the distance around this circle. Circumference means total distance around the circle. So take a thread and measure the distance around the circle as like this. Okay. This is the total distance around the circle. We can measure till here. This much is the distance around the closed figure. So we can measure the length from here to here. This is the circumference of a circle. How to measure? We can use a scale to measure this length. Till here 15 centimeter, and the remaining part we can use like this 5 centimeter. So total 15 plus 5, 20 centimeter is the perimeter of this circle. Perimeter, another name is circumference of a circle, is 20 centimeter. Okay. Then there is an equation to find a different circles perimeter. Here, when we are drawing like this way, a coin's distance around the coin, this much distance, we can call it as perimeter of this coin, or it is the circumference of the coin. We can measure the length like this around this closed coin, this much length. Then remove that and finding the measure, it is 8 centimeter. Okay, so circumference of this coin is 8 centimeter. Then we can find its diameter also. What is mean by diameter? Diameter is the distance passing through. It is the distance passing through the center of the circle. Here, center of the circle, total distance. The 2 points on the circle, line joining, passing through the center, we call it as it is the diameter. Here to here, we call it as it is the radius. Here to here, we call it as it is the radius of the circle. When we can mark like this, so many radius you will get. Here also radius. Radius we are representing with a small r, and 2 times radius. Here to here, 2 times the radius is the diameter. That and all you studied smaller classes. What is the radius and what is the diameter? What is that relation between diameter and radius? Diameter is 2 times radius. That also we studied in the case of a circle. So different type of circle we are getting using this this bangle and this coin. Different types of circle you are getting. So whenever considering this perimeter and that circumference divided by diameter. For everything, this circumference divided by its diameter, this circumference divided by its diameter, all the time we are getting this number as a constant. When we are dividing, we will get a constant. So, this big circle divided by its big diameter. The small circle's circumference divided by small diameter. that both the case you will get the same number. Whenever you are drawing a big circle size, when it is becoming big and all, then also circumference by diameter, every case the same number only you will get. So we can call it as it is a constant. All the times for every circles, circumference by diameter is a constant. Constant number only you will get. This constant we call it as pi. Pi, pi. We can represent it as like this, two lines upon this like this. Or this two line you can join like this, and this way also you can write. This is the representation of that constant. Whenever we are circumference and diameter we are dividing, you will get a pi. Okay, so here also you will get a pi, here also you will get a pi. Diameter is actually, we know it is a 2 times radius. So this also we can write like this. Circumference by 2 times radius is equal to pi. Or circumference we can calculate while 2 pi r. 2 pi coming this side, 2 pi into 2r is coming right side. So altogether we can write 2 pi r. So finding the circumference of any circle whose radius we know means we can calculate the value of circumference while multiplying 2 into pi into r. What is the value of pi? For every circle, value of pi is 3.14 or 22 by 7. In fraction, we can write 22 by 7. In decimal, you can write 3.14. All other numbers are giving in the, radius is giving in the fraction form means you can use this. Radius is giving in the decimal form means for easy calculation, you can take the pi value of pi as 3.14 or 22 by 7. Any one you can take for calculating the circumference of a circle. Clear? So, study the equation by heart. Circumference of any circle is 2 pi r. 2 into pi into r. Or we can say that pi into d. 2 into r is diameter. Circumference is equal to pi into diameter. Okay. This is the equation to find the circumference of a circle. Then here some questions are there. Diameter is equal to 49 centimeter. 49 centimeter. Small letter d or capital letter D can use. Diameter is 49 centimeter. Find the circumference of each circle. Take pi is equal to 22 by 7. They are giving pi is equal to 22 by 7. Calculate the circumference of the circle. We know that pi into d directly we can multiply. C is equal to pi 22 by 7 into d 49. 7 7s are 49. 2 7s are 14. 2 7s are 14 plus 1. 154. 2 pi r. This is in centimeter, or circumference also in centimeter because d is in centimeter. Okay. Then another diameter is equal to 15 or radius is giving 4.5. Radius is equal to 4.5 centimeter. How to find the radius is 4.5? How to find the circumference? That is, radius is given means 2 pi r you can take. C is equal to 2 pi r. 2 into pi you can take 22 by 7 or 3.14. Anyone you can take 3.14. I am taking here 4.5. So multiply these two, that answer into 4.5. Like this, the 314 into 2. Here decimal point is there. 2 4s are 8. 2 6. Then answer is 6.28. Then 4.5. 628 multiply 45. Then total 2 plus 1. 3 decimal place in the answer. You have to put the, after the point 3 number should come. Like that way you have to put the point. Multiply these numbers. Okay. Then diameter of a Venus planet is given. Find the circumference. Diameter of Venus planet is, it is 12278 kilometer. And take pi is equal to 22 by 7 or 3 1 by 7. 3 1 by 7 or 22 by 7 or 3.14, anything you can take. These are the values of pi. Then we know that what circumference is equal to pi into d. That is 22 by 7 into 12278. Then multiply and divide by 7, you will get the circumference of the Venus planet. Next question is, find the diameter, radius of each circle. Given circumference is given, c is equal to 22 centimeter is given. Find the diameter or then find the radius. How to find the diameter? We know that circumference is pi d. From that, d is equal to c divided by pi. Okay. C is 22 is given. Pi is 3.14 or 22 by 7. 22 means 22 by 1. 22 by 1 into 7 by 22. Because when we are writing 22 by 7, easily cancel. That's why we are writing there d is equal to 7. 22 in centimeter, so 7 centimeter. Like this way you can calculate the radius also. Radius means diameter by 2. That is 7 by 2. 7 by 2 centimeter or 3.5 centimeter. Okay. In this exercise 14E, I am taking only 1 to 5 questions. Other questions no need. Any questions only you study for the exam. Okay.